My name is Diane, and I'm encouraging you to contact Perfect Personal Training. When I did, I was well over 300 pounds. I needed assistance, and I found them on the internet at www.perfectpersonaltraining.com. And I plugged in my information, and as it would be, within 10 minutes, I had a phone call from Val. He set up an appointment to come into my home. It was free, and we met together and we began working together to get me on the path to healthy living. Since that time, I've gotten rid of high blood pressure, I've gotten rid of high cholesterol, I'm much more happier, I'm definitely healthier, and I feel wonderful. And it was only with the assistance of Perfect Personal Training that I was able to get there. They have both male and female trainers. I've worked with both, and they're all wonderful. They are very encouraging. They're very knowledgeable. They provide good, solid workouts that they keep your safety in mind. They're just wonderful, and I really encourage you to contact them. Thank you.